Hey there, creator! New ScaleLab, new dashboard, and a new, better way to manage and withdraw your funds. We're introducing some important changes to create an easier and safer approach to your revenue. So let's dive into it and learn what's new. Receiving and withdrawing your income. Instead of being accrued directly to your account, from now on, your YouTube revenue will first go to your ScaleLab balance, with the sum currently available for withdrawal displayed in the Personal Finances section. Sounds way too complicated? It isn't. On the contrary, you now get to expand your financial opportunities. For example, you can withdraw revenue in advance, split income between different payment details, or accumulate funds and later withdraw them in any amount at any time. The number of transactions is unlimited. And best of all are the opportunities you get when it comes to payments. You'll be able to withdraw revenue using some of the most popular payment methods, such as PayPal, Payoneer, international wire transfer, and direct deposit. Over 30 world currencies are available, offering a more diverse, effective, and flexible way to control your income. Now, how do I get my funds? It only takes a few simple steps. First and foremost, you need two-factor authentication enabled on your account to start withdrawing funds. Just turn it on by going to the Personal Info section, selecting the Security tab, and clicking the Enable button. Select the Payout Details tab in the Finances section to adjust your payout method. Pick one of these payout methods and fill in the required info. Want to add another method? Just follow the same steps as before. And now to the best part, receiving your income. To request a payout, open the Personal Finances tab in the Finances section. There, you'll see your history of transactions and funds available on your ScaleLab account. All that's left now is pressing the Request Payout button, choosing the suitable payment method, and entering the needed sum. Done. Your revenue is on the way. But wait, there's one more thing. You didn't think we'd forget about withdrawing your revenue in advance, did you? How can we? It's one of the dashboard's most exciting new features. With our advance payment service, you don't need to wait for YouTube to accrue your income to access it. Instead, you can get your funds 1 to 1.5 months earlier based on income already displayed in YouTube Analytics. Advance funds are credited to your account daily. You'll be able to see them here, right near the Approved Funds, aka the funds already paid by YouTube. And here, you'll see the history of your accruals and used advance. You can withdraw your estimated revenue anytime by filling out the payout request. If there are no approved funds or insufficient approved funds in your account, advance funds will be used for the transaction automatically. Need help navigating the dashboard or have a question about our financial services? We're in touch 24/7. You can always contact our experts via the messenger in the Support section.